Midnight mind, wandering free. Papers scattered around me. Coffee cup keeps me company through the quiet patiently. Watch the water running down, making patterns on the ground. Late night radio plays low. Let the moment come and go, come and go, come and go. Time melts like morning mist. Everything I missed, fading soft and slow. Learning how to let go. How to let go. Street lamps paint the puddles bright, safe inside this peaceful night. Words and numbers dance away as my thoughts begin to sway. Watch the water running down, making music without sound. Late night radio plays low. Let the moment come and go. Come and go, come and go, come and go. Time melts like morning mist. Everything I missed, fading soft and slow. Learning how to let go. Morning comes too soon, but right now it's just me and you. Rain against my window pane, teaching me to breathe again. Coffee's getting cold and still. Watch the water on the sill. Everything will be okay as the night turns into day. Watch the water running down, making peace with what I've found. Time melts like morning mist. Everything I missed, fading soft and slow. Learning how